you dreaming of studying abroad but concerned about the fitting approach? Worry no more. To assist you in making the most out of your study abroad experience, here are our top 5 tips to help you get started. Number 1. Research and plan ahead. Comprehensive research and planning are critical before you embark on your study abroad journey. It is good to familiarize yourself with the host country's culture, tradition, and education requirements to get a clear picture of the documentation like visa and other permits. Also ensure that you're tackling all of these well in advance. Explore accommodation alternatives, transportation, food, etc. so that you can get a clear picture of what your stay is going to look like. But more than anything, explore and research your probable return on investment, or more popularly known as the ROI. Number 2. Embrace cultural immersion. To immerse yourself in a new culture is one of the most significant goals of studying abroad. Welcome this opportunity with an open mind and respect for local customs and cultures. Engage in the society, make friends, and make sure to participate in local events. And while you're at it, don't miss out on new food, learn a foreign language or two, and make sure that you're exploring the city. This cultural immersion will not only help you get profound knowledge, but also help you make lasting memories. Number 3. Manage your finances wisely. Handling your finances is a paramount part of studying abroad. Design a budget which includes your transportation, food, accommodation, and leisure activities. Make sure to break down the cost-effective options for housing and transportation, and always keep an eye on student discounts and benefits. A personal advice: never miss out on having an emergency fund in case you ever come across an unexpected expenditure. Planning your expenses will offer you a stress-free environment and an experience so that you will be able to make the most out of your journey abroad. Staying systemized from the very beginning is important and crucial, especially when you're exposed to new curriculum, different teaching styles, and adapting to a new education system. Obviously, you're going to face some challenges given that you've never been exposed to such pedagogy. But understand the coursework requirements, the deadlines, and the grading system, and develop practical study habits to keep up with your academic workload. Also, never shy away from seeking professors' help when needed, and utilize campus resources such as the libraries and study groups that are freely available to all students. Number 5. Maintaining health and safety. Your fitness and safety should be the top priority, especially when you're studying abroad. Acquaint yourself with regional healthcare services and your insurance coverage, and make sure to stay up to date with travel advisory or any precautions advised by your host country. Take required vaccination, carry essential medication, and make sure to keep your emergency contacts and documentation handy. You don't want to miss out on amazing experiences while you're studying abroad, right? So prioritize your self-care by maintaining a healthy lifestyle, exercise regularly, and make sure to manage your stress effectively. Studying abroad can be a transformative journey that not only exposes you to a global environment, but also shapes your future. Our 5 study abroad tips will help you embrace this opportunity and prepare you for this adventure to come. So, what are you waiting for? Click on subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated whenever we post. By the way, Yocket is home to millions of study abroad students just like you. So make sure that you're visiting yocket.com, where you can connect with like-minded individuals, sign up for free, and get your queries answered by our experts.